जी सर।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, सो अगेन वही चीज है, वी जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एंड फिनिश द रेस्ट ऑफ इट, ठीक है, व्हिच इज कि रिमेंबर हायर पोटेंशियल गेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, रिमेंबर हायर ई नॉट, ठीक है, whoever has the high E naught gains electrons, and whoever has the lower E naught, it loses electrons, ठीक है. That is one thing. अब इसमें ना I would first have to do some complicated reactions. We're gonna talk about chain reactions, ठीक है. Chain reactions involving multiple electrodes. ठीक है. This thing, ये जो चीज़ है, this thing is slightly complicated. It's not going to be a question that's going to carry a lot of marks. लेकिन है वही कि it's higher potential gains electrons and lower potential loses electrons. जिस तरह इनमें था ना कि uh, if you had if you had a reaction, वो क्या steps थे? You would look at the reactants, and once you had the reactants, you would identify कि भाई Cl2 वाले electrodes, you had Cl2 electrode, K plus one electrode, you had a K plus one electrode, you had a Br minus one electrode, right? So you wrote down all the electrodes, और उनके अंदर ना you figure out who's the highest potential, that's the one that's going to gain electrons, ठीक है, and you have to figure out कि it has to be one of your reactants that gains electrons. And the lowest one loses electrons, ठीक है, and it had to be one of the reactants that loses electrons, and that's how you came up with an equation, right? अच्छा, अब ये कि there's certain reactions that will happen in steps, ठीक है. Uh, they'll happen in steps. And what's going to happen is, okay, for example, I've got with the social that iodine wants to gain electrons, tin wants to lose electrons. Let me just have a look at the. पहले मैं confirm कर लूं कि is that what's going to happen? Just one second. Okay, data booklet. अच्छा, so tin and iodine, right? ये मैं वैसे ही अपनी working कर रहा हूँ कि this is lower potential loses to, हाँ ठीक है, iodine is higher potential, ठीक है. अच्छा, so chain reaction, one reaction after the other. The example is, let's say tin is reacting with iodine. So what is going to be the reaction? ठीक है, first thing is you're going to write all possible electrode reactions that involve your reactants. So tin or iodine के ना, you're going to pick all the possible electrode reactions and you're going to write them down. ठीक है, so I've got tin and I've got iodine. What can possibly happen to them? So यहाँ पे ना, if you have a look, tin is only involved over here. I mean, this one is the only reaction that involves tin. इसके अलावा कोई नहीं है, ठीक है. This is the only one. The other ones have tin 4 plus or tin 2 plus. हमारे पास we got tin. And for iodine, you also have just one reaction. इस सारे को मिटा दें. अच्छा, so for iodine, you also have just one reaction. Where is iodine? Iodine ये बीच में है, ठीक है. It's over here. अच्छा, you only have this reaction, and that's 0.54. ठीक है. So I'm gonna write both of those down. ठीक है. तो choice easy है. It was tin 2 plus 2 electrons in equilibrium with. अच्छा, in equilibrium with tin. And you had iodine plus 2 electrons, and that was also in equilibrium with 2i minus 1. अच्छा, इसका E naught, that's 0.54 volts. And the other E naught was, get the other E naught, 0.15. 1 second, let me have a look. Uh, 10 वाली किधर है? 10 was minus 0.14. अच्छा, ये वाला, this is minus 0.14. So this is simple. But a tin, you have one reaction for tin, and you have just exactly one reaction for iodine. You're going to figure out who gains electrons, who loses electrons, so higher potential gains. Okay, this is my higher. And the lower one likes to lose electrons. So that's the one that's going to, ठीक है, उसका potential lower था ही इसलिए कि वो it wanted to lose electrons. So, and the electrons are balanced. So you can write the overall reaction, which is the reactants are tin, and the other equation, the reactant is iodine, and they react together. And when they react, tin ends up producing tin 2 plus, and iodine ends up gaining electrons and forms 2i minus 1. Okay? And that's it. You can calculate the E naught cell as well, and the reduction potential minus oxidation potential, which is minus 0.14. So you get a feasible reaction, which comes out to be I guess 68 volts. तो ये हमारा ना, this is our step 1 done. ठीक है, ये क्लियर है, इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. आला उमर मावा मिनल, इज दिस क्लियर? ये क्लियर है सारों
Yes,
को?
sir.
Yes.
अच्छा, लेकिन अब so higher gains, lower losers, that's it. अच्छा, but the reaction is not going to stop here. ठीक है, redox reactions can happen in multiple steps. अच्छा, let's assume कि this iodine over here is in excess. बल्कि assume क्या लिख देता हूँ कि it is in excess. अच्छा, so after reaction, after step 1, आपका जो solution है, what does it have? It has excess iodine still left, right? I mean, I've written down I'm adding excess iodine, right? So I've got iodine still left, and इधर क्या products बने? The tin got converted to tin 2 plus, right? So the other things in my solution are going to be tin 2 plus because the tin got converted to tin 2 plus. And there's going to be I minus 1 as well. ये दोनों products बने हैं, and there was some leftover iodine from behind, ठीक है? तो इन दोनों का reaction हुआ, it ended up forming this. We got this in the solution, and there's leftover iodine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and figure out whether these things will react again or not. Will there be a further reaction or not? Okay, so you're going to watch out and see if they react again. Okay, so you're going to see if they react again. So now I've got tin 2 plus. Remember, the tin has already gotten converted into tin 2 plus, right? So you don't really have tin anymore. तो अब आपके पास क्या 10 2 plus है. So I'm going to go and have a look and write all the equations that involve 10 2 plus. So if I तो 10 तो खत्म हो गया, ठीक है, that was the first part. Now I've got 10 2 plus, right? So I've got 10 2 plus over here, I've got 10 2 plus over here as well. So I've got two reactions now. और iodine का तो वही वाला है, पिछला वाला, ठीक है. So I'm going to pick the same reaction. So we're going to go with the वो 10 के ना सारे reactions देख लो. 10 2 plus 2 electrons. अच्छा, क्या value थी? This was I think this was the old one. It was minus 0.14 volts. And I had another reaction, which was tin 4 plus 2 electrons. So this E naught was I think it was 0.15 volts. Or plus I've got iodine plus 2 electrons. And this E naught was 0.54 volts. Okay, so so we are trying to figure out the products of the first reaction. Do they react again or not? And I've written down all possible reactions. Now, if you look at these equations, the higher potential gains electrons. So this is the one that's going to gain electrons. Okay, this is my higher one. Okay, and the lower one loses electrons. At the moment, the lower one is the first one. लेकिन I'm going to ignore this क्योंकि in my reactants there is no, मतलब यहाँ पे there is no tin, right? So how could tin lose electrons, because we don't even have tin. So I'm just going to ignore this one. ठीक है, I'm going to cut it out. I mean, we don't really have 10, okay? So I'm going to look for the lowest again, and this time the lowest is going to come out to be वो ये वाला है, ठीक है? This is your lowest, and you've got 10 2 plus turning into 10 4 plus, and that works because we've got 10 2 plus over here. It was produced in the first reaction. So after step one, we are getting another reaction. Okay, after step one, we are getting another reaction and the electrons are already balanced. So you just step two, we got another step happening. And this is the tin 2 plus is now converting, getting oxidized further to tin 4 plus. And the excess iodine is again reacting and it's turning into 2i minus 1. ठीक है, और इसका E naught cell would be 0.54 minus 0.15, which would come out to be 0.39 volts. So that is also feasible. So this is a lengthy process, but what has happened is we had a first reaction and now we've had a second reaction, okay? After that first reaction. So we had a first reaction, और उसके बाद we ended up. What I did was I looked at the products of my first reaction, okay, and then I figured out whether they're going to react again or not, which they are, okay? ये clear है सारों को? Hala, is this clear? Mava, Umar, Minal, is this clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Achha, so this is more complicated because you have to, and I'm going to add up the two steps. So that's going to give me my overall equation. So it's multiple redox which are getting added up. So if you add the two steps, ये नीचे वाला लिख लेते पहला वाला क्या था? That was SN reacting with iodine, and it was forming SN2 plus 2i minus 1. और जो second वाला था, that was SN2 plus reacting with iodine again, and it was turning into SN4 plus 2i minus 1 again. Now, if I add them up, the things that are common on both sides, that's going to get cancelled out. So I think what's cancelling out is ये tin 2 plus cancel out हो जाएगा. And what I'm going to be left with is Sn plus 2i2, and the product on the other side would be Sn4 plus 4i minus 1. So what is basically happening is tin got oxidized, but it got oxidized in steps. पहले वो tin 2 plus बना, and then that tin 2 plus turned into tin 4 plus, right? But यहाँ पे overall equation में it's happening in one go, right? So the reaction is a two-step reaction. This reaction happens in two steps. Tin directly tin 4 plus नहीं बन रहा, ठीक है? And the reason it's not turning directly into tin 4 plus is because if you look at the table over here, ऐसा screen एक से मैं disconnect हो गया. अच्छा, यहाँ तक सारों को clear है ना? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
तो अच्छा, issue है कि there is no equation for tin going directly to tin 4 plus. I mean, you had two reactions, so which is why you had to go with the chain reaction. So 1 second. ये मसला है. बस एक सेकंड. अच्छा खैर इशू ये कि if this opens up, the issue is that there is no equation where 10 goes directly from to 10 2 plus to 10 4 plus. ठीक है तो वो आपको steps में करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, so this chain reaction thing is basically typical of things that have multiple oxidation states. But a vanadium के लिए ना you would have to look for I mean you would have to do that. क्योंकि vanadium जो है ना it's not going to jump to V3 plus directly because there is no equation of vanadium jumping to 3 plus. Vanadium will first turn into V2 plus, and then that V2 plus will turn into V3 plus, and then maybe that V3 plus turns into something further down the road. ये पता नहीं मेरे ख्याल से क्या -2 है. So I think that's going to be +4, right? So things that have multiple oxidation state like vanadium, like manganese over here, Mn की बहुत सारी oxidation states हैं. So you would have to watch out for multiple reactions, one after the other. तो एक और कर लेते हैं, which is probably going to be even more tiresome is, and it's going to waste a lot of time. That's I think it's सोचना vanadium oxides हो रहा है तो iron reduce हो रहा है, ठीक है. So it's a reaction of vanadium with Fe3 plus. ठीक है, let me just think 1 second की reaction होगा भी कि नहीं. Vanadium किधर चला गया? अच्छा vanadium ठीक है वो ऑक्साइड और लोअर एंड आयरन इज द वन दैट्स हायर, राइट? तो ठीक है. एंड देन अच्छा इनकी इक्वेशंस बहुत कॉपी करनी पड़ेंगी. अच्छा बट एनीवेज, so this reaction vanadium and iron 3 plus, uh I've already written the ionic equation, so you don't have to worry about. We just need to look for equations for vanadium and for iron 3 plus and see what's going to happen. तो अगर डेटा बुकलेट ओपन करो ना, iron 3 plus has two equations. ठीक है, I'm just going to directly write it. Iron 3 plus can gain 3 electrons and it can form, अच्छा it can form iron 2 plus. नहीं 3 करेगा तो iron ही बनेगा. And the E naught for this is it's coming out to be iron 3 plus 3 electrons iron, that's minus 0.04 volts. अच्छा और iron 3 plus जो है ना, that could also gain 1 electron. And अच्छा वो जो है ना, it can form iron 2 plus. And the E naught is 0.77 volts. अच्छा for vanadium we just have one equation जो भी दिखाई थी ना, vanadium, an equation that involves a redox reaction that involves vanadium, that's only this one, that's V2 plus 2 electrons and it's becoming vanadium. And and the E naught is कितनी E naught, that's minus 1.2 volts. ठीक है. अच्छा, so my reactants are iron 3 plus and they are vanadium. You have to remember, we have to look for our reactants. These are my two reactants. So starting with the lowest potential, that's vanadium. So that's the one that's going to lose electrons. That's fine. Okay, I've got vanadium and vanadium is willing to lose electrons. So it will lose electrons. That's fine. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Higher potential gains electrons. In this case, the higher potential is the second one. It's this one. And it's iron 3 plus that's gaining electrons. And we obviously do have iron 3 plus. So that equation fits perfectly with our reaction. And I would have to multiply this by 2 so that the electrons gained and lost are equal. And the equations that I've ticked, I'm going to add them up. So vanadium is the reactant, ऊपर वाले में iron 3 plus is my reactant, and the product I'm going to have is 2 iron 2 plus, and नीचे the product is going to be V2 plus. Okay, so that's my equation. And that's basically my step number 1. ठीक है, तो higher gains, lower losers. अच्छा अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि once we're done with step number 1, what do we have in the solution? It's gonna be, I'm going to write Fe3 plus is added in excess, which means you've got a lot of Fe3 plus. So the solution after this reaction contains what? It contains Fe2 plus, it contains V2 plus. And it contains V2 plus. And it contains the excess Fe3 plus as well, which might be left behind. ठीक है, वो बचा हुआ Fe3 plus होगा. So the solution at the end of the reaction will have the products, and it will have some of the Fe3 plus that's still left. So what we're going to do is we're going to construct the second reaction now. ठीक है, यहाँ तक clear है सारों को? Minil clear है, Umar, Mawa, Bahala, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अब second reaction. Remember, इसका कोई shortcut नहीं है, ठीक है? It's I mean, this thing, when substances have chain reactions, the only quick way is कि in an actual paper, you don't actually have to write these equations. वो आप सारी working notes पे कर सकते हो. Directly printed equations पे. Okay, so moving to step number 2, we have to figure out what's going to happen if these react. The first thing, Fe2 plus की ना, I'm going to write down all the equations. एक तो ये वाली copy कर लेते हैं यहाँ से. ठीक है, this equation involves Fe2 plus, so I'm just going to copy this. ठीक है, that's 1. बल्कि गलत हो गया. अच्छा, that's one of the equations. ये भी हटा दो. So that's 1. अच्छा, any other equation involving Fe2 plus? So there's probably going to be another equation involving Fe2 plus, which is वो ये वाली है. Fe2 plus, जिसमें वो 2 electrons, it's minus 0.44. So I'm going to copy that. So I've got Fe2 plus 2 electrons. क्या बन रहा है? Fe. And the E naught written over there was minus 0.44 volts. अच्छा, so Fe2 plus की तो I've figured out 2 equations. Now I'm going to figure out the equation for I mean, there's Fe3 plus as well, so I can copy the first equation as well. वो Fe3 plus की थी. So that could be a possibility as well. So I'm just going to copy that. Achha, what is else? What else do we have? We've got V2 plus, so I'm going to copy the V2 plus equation, which is also written over there. ये वाली ठीक है. This could be copy कर लेते हैं V2 plus because it has V2 plus in it. So I am going to copy this. अच्छा, अब ये के तो थोड़ा सा साथ. अच्छा, for V2 plus there would probably be another equation. जो कि if I go back, that equation is वो ये वाली है. That equation is V2 plus converting into V3 plus. That's minus 0.26. So I've got V2 plus converting into V3 plus. Or इसका E naught, that's minus point. So this one is minus 0.26, right? So that's minus 0.26. Now the thing is, okay, you've got so now the thing is, okay, we've got a lot of equations. मतलब वो बहुत messy हो गया, ठीक है? After the first reaction, we had this as the product, and now I have to figure out कि भाई इन सारों में the product of the first reaction, what's going to happen with these things? So I've written down all possible reactions. And again, it's the higher potential that gains electrons. So higher jo hai, that's I guess that's the first one. Okay, that's my higher potential. And Fe3 plus gains electrons. So Fe3 plus, we do have Fe3 plus. So that's the one that gains electrons. So you're getting another reaction after this. And the lower potential loses electrons. At the moment, of course, देखो, lower potential minus 1.2 hai. So this is the one that loses electrons, but it's vanadium that's losing electrons. And we don't really have vanadium over here. So इस वाले को I'm going to cut it out. मतलब vanadium है ही नहीं, तो वो lose कितना करेगा? अच्छा, who's the lowest potential now? It's minus 0.44. Iron is the one that's going to lose electrons, but यहाँ पे reactants में I don't have any iron over here. तो जब वो है ही नहीं, तो वो how would it lose electrons? ठीक है, it's not going to lose electrons because we don't even have iron. ठीक है, तो उसको भी I'm getting rid of that. Who's the lowest potential now? It's minus 0.26. V2 plus is the one that loses electrons. और ऊपर देखो, we do actually have V2 plus. तो इसका मतलब है ठीक है, that's the one that loses electrons. There's nothing wrong with that. I've figured out my equation. ठीक है, तो दोनों पता लग गए, गेन कौन करेगा और लूज कौन करेगा. अच्छा, ये क्लियर है? इज दिस थिंग क्लियर? उमर क्लियर? मावा हाला, इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, just bear with me, ठीक है? This is going to take a very long time because there's going to be a step 3 as well. We just did step 1. We're trying to build step number 2, right? और step number 2 में I would add the two equations. ठीक है, तो step number 2 जो है, that is के इस वाले को ऐड करना, ये गेन कर रहा था और लूज कौन कर रहा था, ये वाला. तो इन दोनों को ना I would have to add in. So the reactant in the first one is Fe3 plus, and the reactant in the second one is V2 plus. That's the one that loses electrons. Or product के, and the products are, in the first one the product is Fe2 plus. In the second one the product is V3 plus. ठीक है, तो अच्छा ये हो गया. So I've reached step number 2. और अब मसला है कि if you look at the vanadium equations, vanadium जो है ना, at the moment it has gone from V to V2 plus, and then from V2 plus it has gone to V3 plus. अभी उसकी आगे भी, I mean, there's a lot of equations that are still left. So we would have to check out, okay, what's going to happen after this. So after this reaction, what do we have? We have these things, right? This is produced. So हमारे पास क्या है? We've got Fe2 plus, that is, and I've got V3 plus, and वो जो left over excess में था ना, हमने जो शुरू में ऐड किया था, I had added excess Fe3 plus, right? So there is still excess Fe3 plus that's left. ठीक है, there is still excess Fe3 plus that's left, and I'm going to figure out how these would react. Fe वाली जो equations है ना, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy these equations, because Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus की ना, these are the equations, so we don't need to copy them again. अच्छा, इनको as it is, ये working हटा लेंगे. So ये हो गया Fe वाली. All of this. अच्छा, all of this goes. ठीक है. अच्छा, then you've got V3 plus की one equation ये ऊपर थी, so I'm just going to copy this one. ठीक है, ये हो गया. So I'm going to copy this V3 plus. And then अच्छा, फिर finally ये तो हो गया V3 plus. V3 plus has another equation. If you look at the data booklet now, V3 plus has one equation with water and VO2 plus and 2H plus 1 plus electron, right? So there's another equation with V3 plus. I'm going to copy that as well. So it's अब वो याद किस तरह रखे, VO2 plus, एक सेकेंड, VO2 plus 2H plus 1 plus 2, I guess पहले वैसे ही लिख लेते हैं. And it was forming V3 plus plus, I guess H2O, and जाके फिर देखना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, VO2 plus 2, अच्छा सही लिखी है, 0.34. ठीक है, the E naught for this was 0.34 volts. So now we're going to look for the third step, okay, whether there's going to be a third step or not. So higher potential gains, ये higher सबसे ज़्यादा, I guess. ये gain करेगा, this is the one that gains electrons. Nothing wrong with that because Fe3 plus is the one that gains electrons. And we do have Fe3 plus, वो excess Fe3 plus डला हुआ था, so we do have that. And the lower potential is the one that loses electrons. So who's the lowest now? Not minus 0.44. Fe can't lose electrons because we don't have Fe. There is no Fe. Hai nahi, so how would it lose electrons? So get rid of this equation, right? This is not going to lose electrons. Uske alawa, who's going to lose electrons? This is the lowest. V2 plus is the one that's going to lose electrons, but we don't have V2 plus over here. Okay, there is no V2 plus. Then lowest corner minus 0.04, that's going to lose electrons again. It's iron that's losing electrons. We don't have iron over here. So that is also not going to lose electrons. So I'm going to cut all of these. Okay, then the lowest potential is this one. It's the one that loses electrons. V3 plus is the one that loses electrons, and we do have V3 plus over here. So this equation is perfectly fine. Okay, this is the one that's going to lose electrons. वो बराबर कर लो, balance कर लो, ताकि electrons gain and loss are equal. And using these two equations, I'm going to add up and make the overall equation, which is it's 2Fe3 plus. और ये याद रखना, ये question actually paper में आया था. So, and there's no shortcut to it. ठीक है, there is absolutely no. इधर नीचे वाले में reactant के V3 plus plus H2O, and the product in the first one is 2Fe 2 plus, and the product in the bottom one is VO plus 2H plus 1. So we have a third reaction after the first two reactions. वो zoom out करके देखो तो, so this is my step 3 that's happening. वो जो था, that was my step number 2 that was happening. और उससे पहले we had step number 1. ठीक है. So the whole thing happened, first happened reaction V versus Fe3 plus. फिर जो बना था ना, उसमें फिर further reaction हुआ, Fe3 plus and V2 plus formed and they reacted. And then that V3 plus got formed and that Fe3 plus then reacted with that, and it further oxidized vanadium. ठीक है. याद है clear है सारों को? मतलब this is a very irrelevant question, but it actually came in your exam. But is this part clear?
Yes.
ठीक है. मावा, हाला, is this clear? यहाँ तक. हाला, is this clear? मावा, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अब चीज ये कि जो vanadium है ना, this reaction, I mean, the only way, I mean, you would have to do all this working, but I guess the shorter way is कि if you had done all of this, मतलब जो understand करना ना vanadium के case में, like I can put all the equations of Fe3 plus. What the trend I can see is कि Fe3 plus being, मतलब सारी equations में ना, it's Fe3 plus gaining electrons and forming Fe2 plus. Or E naught here, that's 0.77 volts. अच्छा, but anyways, ये higher है ना, so this is the one that's gaining electrons in all these equations. और दूसरे में ये हो रहा है कि just a second, फिर से share करूँ screen. अच्छा, remember most reactions they will just have one step, most of them. ये बस vanadium और एक दो और हैं where you will have multiple steps. So the way you're going to look for the chain reaction is Fe3 plus. I mean, you figured out a trend that Fe3 plus was gaining electrons in all of the reactions, right? This must have been the higher E naught, right? So vanadium was the lower E naught. So vanadium pellet reaction, what happened? It lost electrons. Why? Because it had a lower E naught. Then it became V2 plus. When V2 plus was formed, it lost electrons again. It became V3 plus. Why did it lose electrons? Because it's still the lower potential, minus 0.26. वो नीचे iron जो है ना, that's the higher potential, so iron would still gain electrons and vanadium would still lose electrons. फिर जब वो 0.34 की बारी आई, V3 plus was formed, it's still again V3 plus lost electrons. Why? Because iron was still, ये जो iron नीचे ना, that was still the higher potential, right? And that is when the reaction would stop, क्योंकि vanadium will not get further oxidized. It will not lose, मतलब वो जो VO2 plus बना ना, it's not going to lose more electrons because at this point it becomes the higher potential. वो 0.77 से ऊपर हो जाता है. So that means कि after this point it will actually not lose electrons. तो chain reaction में, लेकिन वो जो working है ना, वो फिर भी आपको सारी करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है? So vanadium kept losing electrons, was the lower potential, still the lower potential, lost electrons again, still the lower potential compared to iron, lost electrons again. But not after this. When it formed VO2 plus, it actually became the higher potential, and that's when the reaction would stop. ठीक है? ये चीज clear है?
Yes.
Or plus, you don't have to worry about this particular. Zyadatar questions, there's just one step. That's it. Uh, Vanadium manganese has this issue as well. In manganese has a lot of equations as well, and a lot of oxidation states as well. तो manganese के case में you have to be careful. अच्छा, plus paper में जब ये question आया था ना, तो he also asked you to figure out what the overall equation was. तो अब वो एक अलग मसला है कि it was just a 3 mark question, but it took a very very long time to solve. The overall equation क्या होगी? You're going to take all 3 equations and stack them on top of one another and then add them up. ठीक है, तो एक ये है, वो दूसरी उठा लेते हैं. This is the second step. ठीक है, so we're gonna pick that. अच्छा, इसको इधर रखो. And then we had step number 1, which was बिल्कुल start में. अच्छा, this is my step number 1. ठीक है, so I've stacked them on top of one another and I'm going to add them up to get my overall equation. Things that appear on both sides, they would eventually get cancelled out. So, for example, क्या cancel out हो रहा है? एक सेकेंड, Fe3 plus तो cancel out नहीं हो रहा. और ठीक है, ये चीजें cancel out हो रही हैं. V2 plus is getting cancelled out. V3 plus is getting cancelled out. So we've got a reaction which is V. Plus, I guess, कितने Fe3 plus हो गए? I mean, there are a total of V बना V2 plus बना V3 plus, V3 plus, then. As I've got 2, 3, 4, 5 Fe3 plus. And the product is 5 Fe2 plus VO2 plus 2H plus 1 plus एक water भी है यहाँ पे left side पे, so there's 1 water as well. So that's eventually my final overall equation for this reaction. ठीक है, तो आधा पेपर का टाइम इससे एक क्वेश्चन पे ना 3 मार्क के क्वेश्चन पे जाया हो जाएगा. And there's no shortcut to it. ठीक है, the only way तो वो एक ही दफा है. You only got this question. वो 10 वाला जो क्वेश्चन था, that was a lot easier. This one had a lot of steps. 3 दफा करना, that just takes a very long time. अच्छा, लेकिन समझ आए हाला मिनल मावा, ये क्लियर है? तो ये फिर इस चीज को ना इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस ना देना. ये बस वो किया कि यू गॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस. ठीक है, ओनली वंस. ये सबसे मुश्किल क्वेश्चन था. ठीक है, चलें, ठीक है. ओके एवरीवन.